See if the rear arm can be pulled away from the windshield. If it cannot, remove the bottom cover of the wiper arm by lifting the cover with 2 hands. Once the cover is removed, lift the rear wiper arm away from the windshield. Rotate and push the locking portion of the wiper blade until the blade is released from the arm. Connect the RG adapter to the wiper blade, making sure rear pins and front tabs on the adapter lock onto the wiper blade. Connect the arm to the installed adapter, rotating the blade to locked position with the arm. Lower the arm and replace the bottom cover in its original position.